This is the most nerve-wracking part. Is, okay, you did all this stuff, you know the process, and now you have to taste it to see if it's legit. All right, it's been about 2.5 weeks, and you see that new Scoby layer that's growing in there? Ignore these. I have to actually clean this out. I haven't yet. But that new top layer, that's the new Scoby that grew in. So we're gonna see what it tastes like today. It's been about 2.5 weeks. So we're gonna taste it up. We have our wood spoon, and we're gonna get right into it. Right, so I don't wanna talk over this. I don't want anything falling in there. All right, so what I do is just push that, I just push that Scoby down. Whew. Still kind of strong. I get just a little bit.
It's quite pungent. It stings the nostrils in a good way.
This is the most nerve-wracking part. Is, okay, you did all this stuff, you know the process, and now you have to taste it.
Sir, no, wait.
See if it's legit.
You'd keep your mouth shut if you knew it was good for you, buddy.
Cheers. Ooh, that is solid. It really burns the throat. It's really good though. I could probably, whoo, that burns the throat. It's sweet though. It's like, it has a sweet kick. It's wild. It's wild. So what we're gonna do, I can let this sit one more day, but I'm not going to. I think that's good right there. I am gonna put this through a second brew. So that sugar is gonna get metabolized even more so in the next couple days. So yeah, I think that's good where it's at. I don't know how I feel. Let me, you know what? Let me get another hit. Let me check it again.
This drink, I like it. Another!
It had that kick. I feel like if I wait too long, it might start getting sour. Let's see. Let's go ahead and cover it up. Cheers again. I mean, it's just right there. It's right on the line. I think we could go one more day. What we'll do, I think we'll just do the second brew, and we'll let the second brew sit for 3 days, 3 to 4 days, a little bit longer. And it should be in a solid place by then. So if you don't know what I mean by second brew, make sure you check out the next video in this kombucha series, how to flavor your kombucha. Essentially, it's the second brew. And there you guys have it. You have your booch. Congratulations. Enjoy. Cheers to wellness and health. God bless.